In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to add music bots on Discord. So let's get started. So I'm gonna open a new tab and search up best Discord music bots. It's gonna give me a list. So let's say you know any one of them, you just can download it. But in my case, I'm just gonna download the first one, ProBot. So now how am I gonna add it to my server? So you just have to write in ProBot download for Discord. You're gonna click on the first link, click add to Discord, and then since my account is already logged in, it already gives me an option. You're signed in as this account, and now you'll have to select the server where you want to add. So I'm just going to choose the server, continue, and I'm going to authorize it with all these permissions. So authorize. So now I'm going to prove that I'm a human. It's done. And now as you guys can see, I got a message. So if I go back here, you guys can see the bot is successfully added. To get more information on how you can do all the music stuff, you can just watch a video on how to use ProBot, and then you can play music. So alright guys, that'll be for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you next time. Peace out.